Okay, let's double lock these this direction.
Alright, you good, you good.
Do you set? Yep.
Alright, let's look at the new Kellett.
Okay,
We
double
have
lock,
Steven, Shannon,
and let's
Sage,
see.
and Juwan. In the middle, wearing red, Uli, we have Alex, Sophie, Nate, and Christina. Wearing yellow, Hina. We have
Okay,
MC,
let's unlock that way,
still swaying.
and we'll try
Rizzo
this way.
and Savannah. Nate, what does this mean for the game? You were expecting a merge. It's not a merge. It's another tribe switch.
I think by meeting new people, it actually unlocks different dynamics in the game.
Okay,
You don't know who's gonna hit
it
off.
locked, but it
And you don't know
didn't
who's
snap.
gonna
I
hate
thought
each
it didn't
other.
lock.
So it's
Now,
scary.
let's
Just
see.
switching the tribes up does sort of repopulate the game and make it a whole new game.
Okay, that was way too long.